Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to lock WhatsApp chat. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily lock your WhatsApp chat. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if it happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your WhatsApp and then open the chat of the person you want to lock the chat. Open the chat you want to lock and then click on the profile. Once you click on that, you can see, just scroll down, and once you scroll down you can see chat lock. Just click on chat lock, and once you click on chat lock, all you need to do is to turn on this button, lock this chat with Face ID. Just click on that, and once you go back you can see your lock chat. This means no one can open this chat without having your Face ID, so you will be the only person who can read this log chat with your Face ID. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload